Welcome to Christine Valmy, the pioneer institution for aesthetics and leader in educated skincare. We're going to show you how to include our innovative products in your salon treatments. Christine Valmy combines the best cutting-edge ingredients from around the world with Chinese herbal medicine and homeopathy to create results-oriented products. Ayurveda plays a particular role in our treatments by allowing the skin first to be fully purged or cleansed before it can completely absorb nutrients, hydration, and beneficial ingredients. All our products are natural and do not contain any parabens, sulfates, artificial colors, additives, or preservatives, and are not tested on animals. We're going to demonstrate how to perform our luxurious anti-aging diamond and gold facial. To perform this facial, you'll need Dermafluid Cleanser, 5.5 Toner, Diamond and Bamboo Gommage Exfoliation, Vita Repair Serum, Gold Collagen Mask, and Ecran Daytime Protection Lotion. First, using cotton pads, we apply Christine Valmy's Dermafluid Cleanser, which contains horse chestnut, rosemary, and lavender to soothe. Dermafluid is excellent to break down makeup and remove dirt, debris, and pollution. Next, follow with Christine Valmy's best-selling 5.5 Toner to restore the proper pH to the skin and finish the cleansing process. Coltsfoot, witch hazel, dandelion, and spirulina nourish and refresh the skin. Now that the skin has been cleansed and prepped, follow with our signature Diamond and Bamboo Gommage Exfoliation, which features actual diamond dust crystals, the world's hardest mineral substance, together with bamboo, the world's hardest plant, and a strong combination of enzymes that gently remove dead skin cells from the surface of the skin, revealing a fresh, revived complexion. This unique gommage peeling allows you to perform a manual diamond microdermabrasion for maximum results without irritation. And a little sparkle never hurt either. Apply a thin layer all over the face, including underneath the eyes and over the lips. Leave the exfoliation on the skin for 2 to 5 minutes. For removal, you can remove this exfoliation in one of 2 ways. If the client has a thicker skin and is not sensitive, you can remove the peeling by using a traditional gommage technique, supporting the skin firmly but gently to avoid the skin moving underneath. Once you have removed the majority of the product, you can follow through with dampened cotton pads to remove any residue. If the client is sensitive, instead of gommage, use dampened cotton pads to clean the product from the skin. Always be sure to support the skin. Once you have removed the exfoliation thoroughly, apply 15 drops of Christine Valmy's Vita Repair Serum from our signature serum collection. This exquisite serum boosts hydration and conditions the skin with a combination of vitamins A, E, and F, and sesame, carrot, and manoi oils in a base of hibiscus, calendula, linden, and ginseng. To encourage deeper penetration of the serum into the skin, you can use ultrasound or high frequency. Next, apply Christine Valmy's Gold Collagen Mask to help skin look younger, softer, and plumper. This luxurious 24-karat gold mask changes the electromagnetic field of the skin, improving blood circulation to repair damaged cells and restoring elasticity to minimize fine lines and wrinkles. Leave the mask on for 15 to 20 minutes. Once you remove the mask, spray our pure plant-derived collagen mist Valmist 2 to hydrate and protect the skin and deliver a more lustrous appearance. Finally, we'll apply Christine Valmy's Ecran Daytime Protection Lotion, which contains a carbohydrate that binds moisture to the skin, as well as green and white teas to fight free radicals. It allows the skin to breathe while preventing makeup and dirt from penetrating into the pores. Follow with Christine Valmy's Valsun sunscreen. Once you have completed your Christine Valmy skin treatment, your client's skin will be left brighter, hydrated, and completely rejuvenated, a stunning testament to Christine Valmy's natural, best-selling, and results-oriented products. For more information about these or additional products, please visit christinevalmy.com. Thank you for joining us, and thank you for choosing Christine Valmy, a leader in innovative, effective, and educated skincare.